I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 45 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is fire or smoke. And I've got this fireman who's got the fire and the smoke all around him. Something with a spine, and I'm including the fireman in that. Anything that begins with a B. I've got this bunny. Something royal. I've got the crown. A famous city, I've got this London label. A bonus is a chevron or zigzag pattern. I have got the zebra, but I've also got this little piece of, oh, my mind went blank, to use anyway, to use in case y'all consider that more striped than zigzag. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, I hope everybody is doing great. Let's see how we're going to do this. I think I'll put him in the corner. And I think I'll put the crown up here. And since I'm thinking of crown jewels, I'll put my London right there. And we have got the bunny. This is a washi sticker, so I'll put that there. And we'll just add the zebra right there. And this right here. And I could have told you this anytime until now. When I get on camera, then I can't think. All right, let's get this down. I've already inked everything, so let's get this sticker down because that'll be on the bottom. Yeah, we didn't get the severe weather like we thought we were yesterday, so that's good. It is supposed to get cold. The temperatures are supposed to start dropping, I think, tomorrow. Either tonight or tomorrow night. And it's going to get down into the 20s. And our highs are only going to be in the 40s, I think, Monday. So I'm not looking forward to that. Sorry, usually I can get these. There it go. Get in there. It's that zigzag edge on the... Take off my glasses so I can see. My glasses, I could see better up close without them, but I can't see a thing far off. All right, so we'll get that down. Makes it very frustrating because I can take my glasses off to fussy cut and all of that, but I can't. It's hard to watch TV because I can't see the TV then. All right, I'm going to put the crown down next. Well, Mississippi State's got another ball game this week. It's going to be hard. SEC is here in Starkville. SEC on Paul Feinbaum, all of them. Tim Tebow. I like Tim. I like Paul too. I like Laura. I like all of the ones in the SEC. SEC Nation, that's what it is. All right, we'll get this down up here. I can't believe I can't think of what the name of this is. I say it all the time. You can put it down in the description box. Help a girl out. I think I'm going to have to use Fabri-Tac because it's just soaking into this. Yeah, let me get my Fabri-Tac out. If I can get it off. zebra. We'll just put there. All right. And now I think I'm just going to add just something else that starts with a B is bling. So I just think I'm going to add just a few things of bling around. And I think I'll do some pink. Go with the royal. And a yellow. Malone red. And malone green. I'll have to get some more bling. Okay, and I will do some splatters. I think I'll go with a darker, just for something different. So this one is pretty easy. Rick rack. Is that what that is? I know it's going to bother me. All right. So we have our fire smoke, something with a spine, anything that starts with a B. I've got bling, and I have got bunny, something royal, got a crown, and we've got the bling, and famous city, London, and a chevron or zigzag pattern. And we've got the rick rack and my zebra. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP45 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.